Welcome to my travel journey. Today we're exploring Haarlem in the Netherlands, one of the most beautiful and historic cities just outside Amsterdam. Haarlem is one of the oldest cities in the Netherlands, located just 20 minutes from Amsterdam, and is known for its well-preserved historic center and relaxed atmosphere. As you walk through the city, you'll notice a mix of medieval buildings, narrow streets, and traditional Dutch houses that reflect its long history. The canals that run through Haarlem provide scenic views and are perfect for walking, cycling, or simply enjoying the surroundings. As you explore, you'll notice how the water connects different parts of the city and adds to its calm atmosphere. Bridges, open views, and quiet streets create a relaxed and authentic experience. Haarlem combines history, culture, and everyday life in a very natural way, making it an ideal city to explore on foot. With its calm atmosphere, historic landmarks, and central location, it offers an authentic Dutch experience away from the crowds. A perfect destination for those looking to discover a different side of the Netherlands. Many of the streets still follow their original medieval layout, giving a clear sense of how the city developed over time. The area is compact and easy to explore on foot, making it ideal for a relaxed walking experience. You'll also find a mix of small shops, cafes, and local businesses integrated into the historic surroundings. Haarlem's historic center is one of the best preserved in the country, with streets and buildings dating back several centuries. Walking through the old town, you'll notice a consistent architectural style with brick facades, narrow houses, and traditional Dutch design. Haarlem is also known for its connection to art and culture, especially during the Dutch Golden Age. The city was home to Frans Hals, one of the most important painters of that period. His work can be seen at the Frans Hals Museum, which showcases both historical and modern collections. Another key attraction is the Tailors Museum, the oldest museum in the Netherlands. During World War II, Haarlem was also the setting for acts of resistance. Corrie ten Boom and her family helped hide people from persecution. Today, the Corrie ten Boom House shares this important story with visitors. The streets are clean, organized, and easy to navigate, making Haarlem a very walkable destination. Small details like doors, windows, and facades give each street its own unique character. Many of these streets have remained unchanged over time, preserving the original structure of the city. You'll find a mix of residential homes, local shops, and small businesses integrated into the historic setting. Cafes and restaurants are spread throughout the area, offering spaces where locals and visitors can sit, relax, and enjoy the surroundings. As you move from one street to another, you'll notice subtle changes in architecture, from older medieval structures to slightly more modern additions. The main square, Groot Markt, is the central point of the city, surrounded by historic buildings, restaurants, and cafes. This square has been the heart of Haarlem for centuries and remains a key meeting point for locals and visitors. One of the most important landmarks in Haarlem is St. Bavo Church, a large Gothic church that dominates the city skyline. Located in the center of the Grote Markt, it has been the focal point of the city for centuries. Construction began in the 14th century, and over time it became one of the most important religious buildings in the region. The church is known for its impressive size, detailed Gothic architecture, and historical importance. Inside, it houses one of the most famous pipe organs in the world, once played by composers like Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart and George Friedrich Handel. The interior also features high-vaulted ceilings, stained glass windows, and historic tombs. Today, it remains one of the most visited attractions in Haarlem. The overall layout of the streets makes it easy to enjoy the city without needing a strict plan or route. As you continue your walk, the city reveals itself gradually, with each street adding something new to the experience. Many of these streets developed during the Middle Ages, when Haarlem became an important regional center, and their layout still reflects that early urban structure. Over time, the city adapted to modern life while maintaining much of its historical identity, which is still visible in its architecture and layout. Thank you for walking with us through Haarlem. We hope you enjoyed the journey.